In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stylish invitation in Microsoft Word using templates. We'll keep this simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. First, we'll start with a template so you don't have to design from scratch. Open Microsoft Word, go to File, select New, then choose More Templates. In the search box, type Invitation. You'll see a variety of designs for parties, showers, business events, and more. Take a moment to preview a few and pick one that suits your occasion and tone, formal, playful, or modern. When you've found a design you like, click Create to open it. Most templates come with placeholder text and layout guides that make the process quick and consistent. Now let's add your information. Click on each text placeholder and type in the essentials: your event name, the date, the start time, the venue or address, and your RSVP details. Keep your text concise and make sure the hierarchy is clear. A larger, bold headline works well for the event name. Use a slightly smaller size for the date and time, and a clean, readable size for the venue and RSVP line. If your text runs long, reduce the font size a notch, or adjust line spacing so everything fits neatly without crowding. Try pairing one decorative font for the headline with a simple sans serif or serif for the details to keep it readable. Align your text consistently. Center alignment often works nicely for invitations, but left alignment can look polished and modern, too. Finally, let's make it pretty with decoration. Go to the Insert tab to add tasteful elements like shapes, icons, or small illustrations that match your theme. A subtle border, a simple line divider, or a minimalist icon can elevate the design without overwhelming it. If your template includes images or accents, you can recolor them to match your palette by selecting the element and choosing a complementary color. Keep your color scheme to 2 or 3 coordinating colors for a cohesive look. Use the format options to adjust size, rotation, or position, and the Arrange tools to bring elements forward or send them behind text when needed. Aim for balance. Leave enough white space around the edges. Keep margins clean so nothing feels cramped, and make sure the most important details stand out at a glance. And that's it. Choose a template, add your details, and enhance with thoughtful decoration. With these steps, you'll have a polished invitation ready to share in just a few minutes.